Hi guys, so this is the look I'm gonna be doing today. If you are interested, please keep on watching. Starting off with a matte purple from the Nicka K Plum Sugar palette on my crease, blending that with girlies from the Tropical Carnival palette, diffusing the crease color with a matte pink from the Nicka K Plum Sugar palette towards the brow, then using navy from the Tropical Carnival palette to further deepen it, blending the colors again and then dusting off the fallouts, doing my crease with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 25 medium, using this shimmery deep purple called Destiny on the outer corner of my lid, and then blending that with the shimmery light purple called Soka on the inner corner of my lid, both from the Tropical Carnival palette. Resaturating my crease with the same colors and then using this shimmery light purple from the Nicka K Plum Sugar palette on my inner corners and brow bone. Creating a wing and then putting on some mascara, and then I'm gonna do my lower lash line. So I'm using the matte purple shade called Girlies from the Tropical Carnival palette on my lower lash line and then deepening it with navy. Putting on some kohl and then blending it, and finally pulling my lashes on, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye and be right back. I used the Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade Madly Magenta. It's a beautiful purplish pinkish shade which went really well with the eye makeup, and then slightly contouring my lips and then overlining my lips with a pink lip liner. So this completes it, and here is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this video a like, and please subscribe to my channel, and hope to see you in my next video. Till then, bye.